Good morning. My name is Snob, and today I will presenting a dual omnichannel strategy for Vimeo to improve its B2B experience and competitiveness. So we'll look at current gaps, strategic response, and how these recommendations will support scalable and customer-centric role for Vimeo. So first, we will move to our table contents for today. We move through 6 focus sections. We start with a brief look at Vimeo's current omnichannel state and strategic context, followed by an overview of the 2 investment scenarios, Vimeo Connect and Vimeo Edge, and then we dive into each strategies individually before comparing them side by side and reviewing a phased rollout plan. Finally, we wrap up with a key takeaway and recommendations for next step. So first is our audit insights and strategic context. Um, Here is Vimeo has made significant progress in personalizations and analytics, particularly through its AI-powered insights and client-facing reporting tools. However, our audits reveal several high-priority gaps. Vimeo lacks a robust support system and has a rigid subscription process, and so under delivers in CRM integration as well. So all of which directly affect customer retentions and B2B scalability. And as shows in the benchmark, Vimeo trails Vidyards across key service dimensions, highlighting a need for targeted omnichannel improvements. So here is what we come up with a strategic visions, Vimeo Edge and Connect. So why do we come up with a dual scenarios to address these gaps while balancing cost and scalability? We recommend a dual omnichannel strategy. And so first, Vimeo Connect is a low cost investment initiative focusing on plug and play tools and fast onboarding and for SME retentions. And second is the Vimeo Edge. It's that a high investment in enterprise ready transformations with AI personalization, 24/7 support, and CRM integrations. So they're on separate paths. They are sequential, but Vimeo Connects deliver immediate result while Vimeo Edge enable long-term growth and comparative strengths in the long run. So next, it's the Vimeo Connect strategies. We'll dive deeper in this one first. So the strategy focus for Vimeo Connect is that this is a low investment omnichannel strategy designed to target quick and high impact improvements, especially for small and medium sized business. So this approach focuses on resolving 3 pain points that we identify in the audits. We have rigid subscription experience, we have limited support system, and onboarding complexity. And so in phase 1, for this, we will have recommend simplifying the pricing interface and reorganizing the support workflow to introduce live chat or a self-service help desk, which is both affordable and scalable. In phase 2, we integrate lightweight CRM tools using plugins like Zapier or HubSpot, which don't require deep text overhauls, and roll out an onboarding wizard and to guide user through setups in under 5 minutes. And finally, at the last phase, we implement a feedback loop through surveys and behavioral role analytics to fine-tune experience and align messaging across support, billing, and user touch points. And the outcome, we expect a 15% increase in onboarding completions, a 10 to 15-point jump in CSAT, and hopefully a 20% drop in churn in the first 90 days. And this strategies delivers immediate values without overwhelming results, laying these foundations for deeper transformation through Vimeo Edge. So next is our Vimeo Edge strategy. Um, Vimeo, when Vimeo connects, solve immediate frictions. Vimeo Edge builds the company long-term advantage. This is a high investment strategy that repositions Vimeo as a true enterprise ready as SaaS platform. And so in phase one for this, we recommend implementing AI powered personalizations and deploying a unified omnichannel analytics dashboard. And this step laid the foundation for a smarter, data informed engagement at every stage of the customer journey. And in phase two, we focus on enabling scalability, advanced multiple channel publishing, and adaptive streaming based on the bandwidth and the region, and a deeper CRM sensing with platforms. We a deeper sensing with platforms like HubSpot and Salesforce. And in the last phase, we expand this infrastructure to support team level branding and global language reference and real time customer experience personalizations and including dedicated account management. So, with this strategy, we expect a 30% uplift in enterprise client retentions, a 25% improvement in support response times, and a full strategic alignment with top tier competitors like Vidyard. And while Vimeo Edge requires more time and resource, it's the critical lever for capturing customer high customer and sustaining a market leaderships in the enterprise place. Next, we will compare these two strategies and why do we need to make it in the short terms and in the long term like that. So first is the comparison table. This highlight the core between the difference between Vimeo Connect and Vimeo Edge and how they complement each other in sequence. And Vimeo Connects, it's focused, it's fast, it's affordable, and it's about addressing pain points in onboarding, support, and CRM plugins with a clear 6 to 9 months roadmap and low resource dependency. On the other hand, Vimeo Edge is a high leverage strategies for long-term transformations and with deeper AI analytics, and Vimeo to empower Vimeo to lead the B2B video SaaS market. And here is the visual timelines. We have the implementation timeline here. We recommend deploying the Connect first to start unlocking the return on investment immediately, while Edge is stayed in parallel and built up over 18 months. So this approach ensures scalability, minimize risk, and give Vimeo flexibility to lead in both SME and enterprise segment. So we will come to our conclusions for today. Is to conclude, the roadmap is clear. We launched the Connect first to remove the frictions and accelerate the SME growth, and then we build the Vimeo Edge next to scale deeply into the enterprise market. And together, these two levers give Vimeo a comparative edge and the momentum to lead. And that's it for my presentation. And thank you for listening.